Couple of quick notes on pressure. We've talked a little bit about when we're talking about when you go underwater, that when you're down 10 meters, you've added an atmosphere from the water, but you got to remember there was an atmosphere of pressure from the air above that. So you're actually at 2 atmospheres of total pressure when you're down 10 meters underwater. Well, that's the difference between absolute pressure and gauge pressure. Your gauge pressure in that instance is the pressure due to the water. Your absolute pressure includes the atmosphere outside. It's the same when you check the pressure of your tires with a tire gauge. The tire gauge has the tire gauge has the atmosphere pressure on it on the outside. So when you check the pressure in your tires, what you're really getting is the gauge pressure, which is the difference between atmospheric pressure and the pressure inside the tires. So when you pump up your tire to 32 pounds per square inch, um, that's actually, that's not the total pressure. The difference is when you look at your tire, the reason we don't worry about it. So this is your tire, right? So, and you got your valve stem coming off the tire. Pretend this is the hub here, and the tire goes up here, right? You'll any artist out there, you'll love my drawing skills. Okay, so now you're measuring the gauge pressure right here, and you're up to 32, and this is typical units we use, pounds per square inch, right? Per square inch, um, which is about 1 atmosphere. Well, oh, about 2 atmospheres, sorry. You've got atmosphere out here, and you've got the pressure inside there. And so the actual pressure inside is simply this plus atmosphere, which plus 1 atmosphere, right? And so these are actually added together inside the tire, but there's pressure from the outside canceling out or balancing out that piece. So all we worry about is the gauge pressure. If you took your tire that's at 32 pounds per square inch and you took it into outer space where there's not that pressure from the outside, then you'd be in real trouble, right? I mean, well, the tire would just simply burst. Boom, it goes, right? Because it wouldn't be able to withhold in all the pressure that it has because your tire counts on this outside pressure. So that's it on gauge pressure.